Are you tired of feeling stressed and anxious in your daily life? Discover the power of silence and how it can transform your mind, body, and soul in this video. Silence can have many benefits. In this video, I will talk about benefits of silence. Number 1. Reducing stress and anxiety. Silence can help calm the mind and lower the levels of stress hormones in the body. Why? Number 2. Improving focus and concentration. Without the distractions of noise, it can be easier to focus on a task or activity. Number 3. Enhancing creativity. Silence can help stimulate the brain and promote creative thinking. Number 4. Improving sleep. Noise pollution can disrupt sleep patterns. Silence can help create a more peaceful environment for sleeping. Number 5. Deepening spiritual connections. Silence can be used as a tool for meditation and prayer, which can help deepen spiritual connections. Number 6. Improving overall well-being. Regularly experiencing silence can help improve overall well-being by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of silence. We hope it has inspired you to incorporate more quiet time into your daily routine. Remember, a little bit of silence goes a long way in reducing stress, improving focus and concentration, enhancing creativity, and promoting overall well-being. So take a moment to disconnect and embrace the power of silence in your own life.